technological side of the boat was really the main driver of purchasing a Silent Yacht. I love technology. I think having this type of ability to run on solar power and to enjoy the surroundings quietly when you're motoring around is just something that really is intriguing and really an enjoyable thing to do.
Mm-hmm.
We've had Tesla vehicles, so we've liked having electric powered stuff, and big diesel engines always scared me. And the idea of having a motorized yacht was very intriguing. We've done some sailing, and it's always a painful process to go from here to there, to there, to there, to get to where you're trying to go, and we're looking forward to just being able to go right to where we want to go on a Silent Yacht. Well, this deck is probably the most enjoyable part of the boating experience. Being able to come up here when we're at anchor or at a mooring, it's just fantastic. And when you're underway, just the view that you have, being able to look around 360 degrees and just see everything, it's really amazing.
This is so great because the space that this boat offers, we love to boat not just by ourselves, we always have friends. And just imagining the number of people that we can have up here and not run into each other and be a good time. We'll have a good time.
Yeah.
It just really kind of started out like a light conversation, and who knew that it would be real?
Rebecca's not joining, but we're planning on taking the boat across the Atlantic in the end of the year. So spend time in the Mediterranean for the summer and enjoy the waters of the Mediterranean. We've never had the opportunity to do that, and so excited about that. All of our boating has really been around the Caribbean, and so gives us a great opportunity to enjoy some new places.
The where is a big question. We're still discussing that because there's so many places to choose from. How do we cover as many bases while we're over here before the boat goes back home? I envision like a summer-long open house of people coming over to see us and see what we've done.
Yeah, I love the picture that Silent Yachts has of the boat in Venice, and we love Venice, and looking forward to seeing this boat in a photo in Venice, and then probably Croatia and probably down into Greece and do something on the Amalfi Coast. Just so many beautiful destinations in the Mediterranean that we'll look forward to doing, but still trying to figure all the plans out.